Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10 Gen 2, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. You need to begin by accessing your device's keyboard. And clicking on the microphone icon at the top right corner of it. If it's not visible, select this gear next to three dots. Click on voice typing located in keyboard settings and tap on the gray switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. When you're done, go back to your keyboard and click on the now visible microphone icon. Now select while using the app in the pop-up, and after seeing Speak Now command, start talking. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to stop, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!